It's cruise day. 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 It's cruise day.
It's cruise day, and this is a lightning round of the do's and don'ts of cruise ship embarkation. Many first-time cruisers find this part of the process the most stressful and difficult to navigate. We're in Tampa, Florida, about to board the Margaritaville at Sea Islander for a 5-day cruise to Cozumel, Mexico. Following these do's and don'ts will help your embarkation day go smooth, be quick, and you can get to island time as fast as possible. Let's go. Do print out your paperwork to avoid technical glitches. Do keep your passport and travel documents handy. Do be prepared to go through security. Do get on the ship. When you get on the boat, as soon as you come in, look up. You need to look up at all the beautiful decorations. Do get a drink. Hi, I'm Aaron. This is my first drink of the day. Hi, my name is Todd, and this is my first drink of the day. Shout out Travel Spree, Fane, and Laura. Do sort out any issues at guest services. Do explore the ship.
The Coral Lounge on deck 2 now.
Do head to your cabin when it's ready. Do make sure you have the right number of life jackets. Do unpack. Let's get ship-faced! Cruise ship embarkation. Do decorate your door. Okay, so now we're gonna head to do our muster station because that needs to be done.
Place the top panel over your head. Pull the waistband around your back and close the front buckles.
You never want to hear this on a cruise ship. Do put your phone in airplane mode. Do make sure that you book your spa appointments as soon as possible. Do make sure to get ice cream. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying our cruise content, make sure you hit that animated subscribe button down below. Hitting that subscribe button supports our channel, tells YouTube we did something today, but it will ensure that you don't miss out on any travel tips, tricks, or hacks. Thank you.
Welcome to Florida.
These are the don'ts of cruise ship embarkation. Don't arrive early at the terminal. Come at your assigned time slot. Don't give your carry-on bag to the porter. That is hilarious. Don't bring luggage too heavy to carry with you until your room is ready. Luggage 101. What does it look like, Aaron? Don't expect to go to your room as soon as you board. Don't follow the crowd to the buffet. Our first cheeseburger in paradise here with some ketchup. Don't complain about standing in line. Don't miss the sail away party. Don't miss sailing under the Tampa Bay Bridge. It takes 2.5 hours to reach the bridge once you leave the dock. Don't get belligerently drunk.
I mean, I can see you in the boots.
These.
Oh, God.
Don't be rude to staff trying their hardest to make your vacation enjoyable.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
At the end of the day, it's a vacation. Just breathe and relax. Remember that everyone is on the same ship, and the ship's going to the same place, and everybody's going to get there at the same time. Leave your best cruise day embarkation tip in the comments below for everyone to learn. Are you planning to sail on Margaritaville at Sea, the Islander, or the Paradise? Looking good, Rudy. We've sailed on both, so ask us any questions. Now that you know how to navigate the do's and don'ts of cruise day embarkation, others won't be as efficient as you. So share this video with your cruise family and friends. Have a great cruise. Fins up!